So before you pick a broker, make sure you look at these 10 things so that you can pick a proper broker. So let's talk about that today. Coming up. So the first thing that you need to do, that a lot of beginner traders skip, is to do your research. Do your proper research. Don't take just 1-2 hours to research a broker. It's not enough, okay? Because there are so many brokers out there for you to pick from. Take at least 2 weeks, 1 month to be safe. You're a trader, okay? You're running a business. So when it comes to businesses, you need business partners, right? So your broker is kind of like your business partner. If you're picking a business partner, are you gonna take like just 1 to 2 hours to interview somebody and then be like, you're the one? Before you marry somebody, are you just going to take 1 or 2 days to know that person before you get married with that person? No, right? You're gonna put in the time. So if you put in the time in your marriage, in planning a vacation, why don't people take time to research a broker? And this is a mistake that I made when I first started off. I just go with whatever broker that offers me high leverage and then low spread. That's it. There's so much more than high leverage and low spread. If you don't do your research properly, you can put in 100% in your trading. You can put in all the work. You can be the best trader in the world. But if your business partner don't give an F, do you think that business is going to do well? No. You gotta put all the brokers that you are interested in into a short list. It's like a watch list for stocks. Then after that, go to the second criteria. Make sure that the trading platform is user-friendly. Most important thing, it has all the features that you need and you must be comfortable using it. A lot of brokers, they allow you to open a demo account and then test out their trading platform. So do that. And aside from trading platform, you also got to look at the type of accounts. Okay, so this is step number 3. So if you're opening a stock trading account, okay, normally stockbrokers, they offer cash account and margin account. Basically, a margin account allows you to so-called borrow money to trade and, to put in simple terms, leverage. Other than the type of accounts, also look at the amount of leverage that the broker provides. Now, please don't pick the broker that provides you with the highest leverage possible, because you don't need a high leverage to trade. 1:50 is enough. The best traders I know, they can make money with 1:20, 1:30 leverage. That's enough for them. And also check the minimum deposit requirement of that broker and also the spreads. Low spreads is not the most important thing. It's one of the requirements, but it's not the most important thing. And aside from these things, also check the margin requirements and also the swap. If you hold the trade overnight, how much are you going to be charged? And comes the fourth step, I would say this is second most important. Do they care about your money or do they care about you? And that is customer support. If you give them a call, how long does it take for them to get back to you if they didn't answer? And if you email them, how long does it take for them to reply? How is their live chat interface like? Or is it just a chat bot with no human beings? Preferably, the chatbot has to be a real human being, okay? Because anybody can just set up a software with a chatbot and then give you like repetitive answers. That is not useful. Basically, make sure that the broker offers good customer support. Number 5, make sure that the broker offers reasonable fees and commissions. Now, if you are picking a stockbroker, because now everything is online, commissions and spreads are very low as compared to 20 years ago. If you are trading stocks, you'll be charged commissions. Make sure that the commissions are reasonable. But if you are trading forex, most likely there's no commissions, okay? You only pay the spread. So look for the low fees, low commissions, and also make sure that there are no hidden fees, hidden charges. Certain brokers, if you don't read their terms and conditions properly, they will charge you inactivity fee. Like you haven't been trading for 2 weeks, 1 month, they're going to charge you a fee. If the broker says something like you need to add more money to unfreeze your account, that sounds like a complete scam. Number 6, how do you know whether the broker cares about their clients? This is another factor, okay? Do they offer high quality educational resources like webinars, tutorials, trading guides to guide you in your trading? Of course, you don't need to learn from whatever they provide, but the fact that they went the extra mile to provide education is another indication that, okay, the broker cares about their clients. Of course, sometimes there's a level of conflict of interest. Some brokers just provide education for the sake of providing education. Regardless of whether it's high quality or not, doesn't matter. Okay, so the next criteria is fast deposit and withdrawal. Now, if you come across a scam broker, okay, what's gonna happen is that their depositing process is going to be super fast. Taking money from you, yep, give it to me fast. But when it comes to withdrawal, okay, giving the money back to you, sorry, my internet connection, there's a problem. Sorry, your funds is stuck somewhere, so add some money to unfreeze your account. A good proper broker has to have fast withdrawal, super fast. Anything more than, I would say, 3 days is a little bit too long. So make sure you pick a broker that can withdraw your money fast. And also make sure that the broker provides all the different deposit and withdrawal options. Like you can deposit via your credit card, PayPal. So it gives you many options, many ways to fund your account. So it's more convenient for you, okay? So 2 things when it comes to deposits and withdrawal: fast and also provides you with many options. Then the next criteria, they must have a long history in the business. Because if you have watched that video on how I got scammed by a broker, I trusted the CEO because he was my friend. But looking back, there were many red flags that I kind of pushed away temporarily just because it's my friend. One of which is the company is super new. There's no like track record as to they've been running the business for a long time. Nope. It's very hard for a scam broker to be in business for like 10 years, 15 years, you know what I'm saying? But it's very easy for an overnight scam broker to just appear and be like running a business for 1 to 2 years. Then the next criteria you need to take note of is the speed of execution. So you know how sometimes when you're trading high impact news, okay, and then you want to enter at this price, when you click buy, there's like an internet issue connection. It's like loading, okay? So what's happening is that the broker is trying to re-quote you to another price, and often the price that you get at the end is way up there. It's not so good. If there's regular re-quoting, then it shows you that the execution speed is not good enough. The execution speed is not fast enough. You don't want to wait for like 1 to 2 seconds. 2 seconds is too long. Now this next criteria is, I would say, the first thing I look at before I pick a broker right now. Because if this next thing is not properly taken care of, whatever high speed of execution, fast withdrawal, all that doesn't matter. It's the regulation. Make sure that the broker that you pick is regulated by a good financial authority. Now by good, I don't mean like regulated in Cyprus, regulated in Bahamas, because when you get your broker regulated in certain countries, it's very easy to get a license. You don't need to fulfill much requirements to get accepted. So when the broker is regulated by proper authority, you're making sure that your funds are safe. Meaning that if the broker closes down, you can still get back your money. So a good authority would be, for example, FCA, ASIC, and in Singapore, Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS. So when your broker is regulated by a good authority, it gives you a peace of mind. You can be the best trader in the world, but if you cannot get back your money, then what's the point of earning all these profits? You know what I'm saying? Like the previous broker that scammed me, all the profits that I've earned, like $10,000 plus, couldn't get it back. I've been profitable all those years for that account. Okay, for all the years I've been profitable. But of course I don't win every single month. Some months I win, some months I lose. But then the wins cover up my losses, you know what I'm saying? So that's why at the end of every year, I would net out a profit. Grow the account every year, cannot get the money back. What's the point? Being regulated by MAS in Singapore, it is super not easy. So if you want to sign up with a broker that is regulated by the Monetary Authority of Singapore, you can go sign up at the link in the video description below, and I only have exclusive rewards for my supporters, okay? So remember, put in the time, patience, discipline to research a broker. You want to make yourself richer. You don't want your broker to make you broker. I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.